my name is Mauro Ruffolo. I'm Italian and I'm the manager agronomist of Hunter's Dream Estate in Australia. Today I will prepare for you 6 dishes. The first dishes is I will make chicken. We'll use chicken with the skin, fresh garlic, fresh rosemary, extra virgin olive oil. When everything is ready, I put on top our Italian mixed herbs. Now first chop the garlic very thick. We put our first harvest. In the meantime, I will prepare the rosemary. If the flame is too high, we little bit. Okay, they start already to change a little bit the color. 1 other minute. Okay, when it's a little bit brown gold, we put the chicken. I put from the skin first. Put a little bit salt. This. A little bit slow down the flame. We need to try to leave the flame high. If we do that, all the juice of the meat they stay inside the meat. But with the chicken, the oil splash. A little bit problem. What I do, I put here, because for me it's easy to put salt and pepper, little bit black pepper, little bit salt from the other side. And now at this stage we can put a little bit rosemary, because we try to keep a little bit flavor to the chicken. Now we need to wait in 5 minutes. First we seal the meat, and when both sides they are brown, gold, little bit slow down the flame, and because we need to cook the meat inside. You can not eat rare like the beef. And of course, every 3-4 minutes, have a look. My suggestion is to put this here away from the flame. You see, they come brown. You see, perfect. Little bit more from the other side. I put a little bit more rosemary. Other 2 minutes should be ready. This is in 15-20 minutes is ready. It's very simple, like quick dishes. And the flavor, beautiful. I want to do a little bit more crispy the skin. I just lift up. Okay. Very nice. You see now no more splash because the water is already gone. Like this. They put just a little bit this oil. I put a little bit fresh rosemary on top. And then we finish with Italian mixed herb, beautiful. We put fresh on top. Now the dish is ready. This is a chicken, Italian chicken with the rosemary, and we use our first harvest extra virgin olive oil. And in the end, we put our infused mixed Italian herbs. Okay, now we will prepare my second dishes. It's a very traditional Italian pasta. It's a spaghetti pasta with garlic and chili, fresh parsley, chili and garlic infused. Quindi when it is boiling, we put salt. We open the spaghetti with 1 portion, roughly, because for the pasta we need to waiting around 12 minutes. You put first the pasta inside, because it's very important when you cook pasta, the cooking time. And everywhere is nice to eat the pasta al dente, a little bit hard and not too soft. It's important when you put the spaghetti on, every minute you need to a little bit turn around, otherwise they stuck. I'll switch on the flame. Always we put our first harvest, extra virgin olive oil, 1 spoon of garlic in a big slide. As well the chili, you can put how much chili you want. Don't forget to turn around the spaghetti always. Just I chop some parsley. We need to do brown, gold. If the flame is dry, you can lift up the Ready. Very quick. You see, this is the perfect, it's gold. Do you cook? No. Sicilia, it's a nice line. What I do, I just switch on a little bit for warm up again this, and we need to try the pasta if it's ready. We do like this. Okay, for me it's perfect. Close the flame. And then we put the pasta here. Just a little bit turn around. We put little bit fresh parsley. Just this for 1 minute, not much. You don't put a lot of oil because after we put our infuse on top. Okay, this is ready. Off. We put a little bit again fresh plus parsley on top. And then we put our infused chili, garlic, olive oil. Spaghetti with the garlic, parsley, and chili and garlic infused olive oil. In Italian is spaghetti, aglio, olio e peperoncino.